Imagine holding a device that defies the very laws of modern tech design, a machine that refuses to fit into the standard categories we've been forced to accept for the last decade. It sits comfortably in the palm of a single hand, yet possesses a digital heart so ruthlessly powerful it can outperform the thick, heavy laptops most people carry in their backpacks. For months, the tech underground has been whisper quiet about what Apple was building behind closed doors. The mainstream media was entirely focused on giant screens, massive professional setups, and desktop replacements. But while everyone was looking away, Apple quietly pulled off its most audacious engineering heist yet. They took their most elite, highly optimized silicon architecture and crammed it into a form factor that feels almost weightless. This isn't just a minor refresh or a casual update to a niche product line. What Apple has unleashed with the iPad mini M5 is a calculated disruption of personal computing. If you believe that small tablets are just for casual reading, or that true, uncompromising performance requires a massive screen, what you are about to discover will dismantle your perspective entirely. This is the definitive, unfiltered reality of the Apple iPad mini M5. For years, the tech industry tried to convince us that size was directly correlated to capability. If you wanted raw processing power, you were told you had to buy a massive device, deal with the weight, and carry a heavy charger. Small form factors were treated like second-class citizens, intentionally held back with outdated chips, dim displays, and compromised features. We accepted this compromise because we thought the physics of heat dissipation and battery density left engineers with no other choice. But the M5 silicon architecture completely shatters that narrative. Built on an ultra-dense, hyper-efficient sub-10 nanometer process, this chip packs billions of microscopic transistors into a space no larger than a postage stamp. It doesn't need a massive chassis to breathe. It doesn't need a loud, whirring cooling fan to keep from melting down. It operates with a cold, terrifying efficiency that allows it to deliver sustained, peak performance in a device that fits inside a jacket pocket. The moment you initialize this machine, you expect the standard mobile experience. You expect a device that handles web browsing, media consumption, and basic emails with ease. But when you throw a heavy enterprise-grade workload at it, the illusion drops. There is no stutter. There is no hesitation. There is no thermal throttling that drops your screen brightness or cuts your processing speeds in half. Whether you are scrubbing through multiple streams of high bitrate video, compiling complex code arrays on the fly, or manipulating massive three-dimensional digital environments, the iPad mini M5 executes the commands instantly. It behaves less like a tablet and more like a highly concentrated tactical weapon of pure computation. To understand why this specific device is causing a quiet panic among competitive tech brands, you have to look closely at the architecture of unified memory within the M5 ecosystem. In a traditional computer or a standard tablet, the processor and the graphics engine live on separate islands. They are forced to talk to each other across narrow, congested digital highways, constantly moving chunks of data back and forth. This movement creates heat, drains battery life, and introduces tiny, microscopic delays that slow down your workflow. Apple completely eliminated this friction by placing the CPU, the GPU,